How to order in Shopee. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just open up the website or you can open up the app also. Just do it as per your comfort, and after that just search for any of the product that you want to buy. Suppose I want to order this product, so I will just open this product up and this is how it will look like. Now select the color of this product. This product is available in black and white color, so I will just select the white color. And after that, select the quantity that you want to purchase, then click on this option of buy now. If you want to purchase some more products, simply click on add to cart for this product and move on with other products and add them in your cart also. After that, just click on this option of buy now, and here all the products will appear that you want to purchase. In case if you don't want to purchase some product, just simply click on this option of minus product. It will remove the product from your cart and the remaining products will be there. Now simply click on this option of checkout. If you have a voucher or a coupon code, just simply click on this option of select or enter over here, and this way you would be able to apply some more discount to your order. Currently this one is selected, which is of free shipping, so I won't be charged any money if I order any product. After that, just click on this option of checkout, then it will redirect you over here. Now you need to provide your details like your full name, your phone number, your postal code and your address. After that, just select the label over here, whether this address that you provided is for work or home. After that, just click on submit, and this way all you have to do is just make the payment if you want to make the online payment, and then this product will be delivered, and this is how it will work. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.